This is an audio test with the Ray-Ban Metas. They have 5 microphones in them, so it'll be interesting to hear how it sounds. Does it sound alright? This is an audio test for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is mounted on a chest mount, but the mic is still exposed, so it'll be interesting to hear how the audio sounds. Does it sound alright? Let me know in the comments. This is an audio test for the Sony A7C. It has the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus on it, and I'm speaking from behind the microphone. How does it sound? Probably really bassy. Let me know in the comments. This is an audio test with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. These actually have 3 microphones in them. One is used to record the audio and the other 2 are used for noise cancellation. So it'll be interesting to hear how this sounds. This is a vlogging test for the Meta Ray-Bans. Now what's actually cool about these is I can see my reflection in the sunglasses. So it actually kind of feels like I'm vlogging, but it's weird to be talking to glasses. But yeah, how does it look and sound? I'm holding them sideways, so it should be a horizontal video. This is a vlogging test for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I haven't really vlogged a whole lot with these. I think I did one for a parkour vlog. So how does it look and sound? Let me know in the comments. This is a vlogging test for the Sony A7C with the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus on top of it. I'm also using the Tamron 17-28 f2.8 lens. How's it look? This is a vlogging test for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the front-facing camera. How does it look and sound?